Welcome back, everyone. Today we're talking about FI milestones. FI stands for financial independence. 300,000 should be considered one of the biggest FI milestones. At a 4% safe withdrawal rate, that means if you withdraw 4% of your wealth per year, 300,000 generates enough passive income to be just above the US poverty line at $11,770. This post is a little bit outdated, so maybe the numbers are a little bit off now. They're very useful guidance and a way to think about things. The amount of money that you can withdraw from 300,000 hasn't changed, but the poverty rate may be a little higher now, and maybe $1,000 a month doesn't get you what it would get you a couple years ago. It seems like a good round number to celebrate for that reason. You could theoretically always be over the poverty line once you save that much. So there is science that says once you retire, you can safely withdraw 4% of your wealth and not run out of wealth for 30 years. So this person's saying if you have 300K saved, that's $1,000 a month. That puts you above the poverty line. So you'll never ever be below poverty once you have 300K saved. I know we're not striving to be above poverty, but it's a nice milestone. So this first comment says, 300,000 equals 1K a month, so poverty level. 600,000 equals 2K a month. You can get by if you're frugal. 900K equals 3K a month. You can live a pretty typical life. Like, I don't know if that's exactly true. 3K a month probably, some people probably have a 3K mortgage, but if you're living, 3K a month isn't bad. And then 1.2 million is 4K a month. I would say that's a pretty typical-ish life if you're in a low cost of living area. 4K you probably get by on. So 1.2 million is probably a reasonable FI number if you're a modest person. But these are good milestones to think about, right? You could maybe think about your goals in $300,000 chunks. If you don't have FI milestones and you want something to shoot for that's attainable, think about it in $300,000 chunks. I know maybe that seems like a lot if you're 22, but if you've been at it for a while, maybe that seems very reasonable, and you can think about it. Every 300,000 I have saved is another 1,000 a month till the end of life. Assuming we're retiring once we're sort of 40s or 50s or 60s or something. Just wanted to share that with you guys. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any comments, please put those below. I'll see you guys in the next video.